Empower choice, embrace health, reproductive rights for all. Emphasize the fundamental belief that every individual should have the right to make informed, autonomous decision about their reproductive health. It underscores the importance of providing access to a full range of reproductive health services like contraceptions, prenatal care, and safe abortion. Without discrimination, this message advocates for policies and practices that protects personal freedom, ensuring that individuals can decide what's best for their bodies and their futures. Reproductive rights are not just about choice, they are about health, dignity, equality, and respect for human autonomy. Ultimately, the goal is to create a society where everyone, regardless of gender, race, or socioeconomic status, has the power to shape their reproductive journey.